Welcome to Amphora, a calculation tool for fiber-reinforced plastic silos and tanks based on the EN 13121 standard. Amphora saves you time. Experienced users can make their tank or silo calculations in 10 minutes or less. You can begin your project by creating your materials list, where you can specify your own unique materials that will be used to construct the tank or silo. This allows for standardization. With Amphora, you can go through step-by-step geometry and load calculations as you build up your silo. Amphora is user-friendly and intuitive. After filling in all of the fields, you can be confident that your design is up to code. After entering the geometry and load calculations, Amphora will generate a full report. This will help you to avoid surprise costs because you can base your product quotes on calculations instead of estimations. With the click of a button, you can optimize your calculations according to the EN 13121 standard.
Yes, hi, I'm Dante Rugist. I've been a Solico lead engineer for 7 years now, and I'm also an Amphora specialist. I've been developing the new version of Amphora for the last 2 years. Amphora is basically a design tool designed by engineers for engineers. So it's designed so you can swiftly analyze and optimize the structural laminates of your tank or silo. And it can also provide engineering reports for any governing instances. Amphora is designed specifically for the EN 13121 standard, which is the European standard for storage tanks and vessels. The Amphora advantage is basically standardization. So all our designs we use are according to the EN 13121 standard. The next one is risk elimination, because each client has his own database of materials and resins and I don't know what, which you can use over and over again. Mitigating the risk that false material properties are used to calculate your new vessel. Time saving is another one, because it's quite an intuitive program. Once you've set up your material database, it's quite easy to make new tank and silo calculations, as I said before, it reduces surprise costs, or it reduces the risk of making false quotations. So that's basically the 4 main advantages. One of the advantages, of course, and that's also the way we specifically set up Amphora, is we as Solico have access to all projects of our clients. So if a problem pops up, they can just simply pick up the telephone and contact me, and then we will try to help whatever issue has come up.
If you have any questions along the way, Solico is always here to help.